Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today let's prepare a cabbage Manchurian gravy, which is the best combination with fried rice or noodles. This recipe can be served as a starter or as a main course. So let's get started and check on the recipe. Into a bowl, take 2 cups of grated cabbage. You can also add other vegetables and prepare this as mixed vegetable Manchurian. Today I am showing a simple and easy method using only cabbage. Add half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoon all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoon corn flour, and mix all together. Use your hands and mix well without adding any water. The cabbage will release water and it will be sufficient to combine the mix and form a dough. Take a portion of mixture in your hand and make small balls. Make all the cabbage balls this way and keep it aside. Now let's heat oil for deep frying the cabbage balls. Gently place each balls into the hot oil. Make sure to reduce the flame to medium. Stir occasionally and fry evenly on all sides until it turns golden brown or crispy. Once fried, let's remove and drain it on a kitchen paper towel. Fry all the remaining cabbage balls and keep it aside. Into a deep bottom pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute for a minute. Add 1 cup of onion chopped, 1 cup of capsicum chopped, and saute until it is slightly stringed. Add salt to taste. Once onion and capsicum is sauteed well, add 2 teaspoons of vinegar. Mix well. Next, let's add 1 teaspoon of soya sauce and continue to mix. Add 2 teaspoons of chili sauce, 3 teaspoons of tomato sauce, and saute until all the sauces are combined well. Next, add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, and saute for few minutes. Adjust the spices according to your taste. Add 1 1/4 cup of water. Combine everything together and allow it to boil. When the water is getting boiled there, let's prepare the corn flour slurry. Into a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Add 1/4 cup of water and mix well without any lumps. Add the corn flour slurry to the boiling mixture and mix very well. Make sure there are no lumps formed. Once the gravy starts to thicken, add fried cabbage balls. Before adding the cabbage balls, make sure to check the seasoning and adjust if required. Mix gently and coat each cabbage balls in the gravy and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure the cabbage balls are added just before serving, as it turns soggy if soaked for a long time. Our delicious cabbage Manchurian gravy is ready. Finally, garnish with some spring onion and serve it hot. We can also serve this recipe as a starter by not adding any water, by just coating the cabbage balls in the sauce. Please do try this simple and delicious recipe and give me your feedback. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.